You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this expression used in music, and it comes from Italian, of course, as like most musical vocabulary. If you want to learn more vocabulary from music, stay tuned. It means literally from the head or from the start, so from the beginning. Italian pronunciation: da capo, da capo, da capo. In English, therefore, it's normally pronounced as da capo. Capo with a stress on the first syllable. Da capo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.